Hello students, today we shall read a poem from the Formalin Jar. This poem is newly introduced in your curriculum this year. Dr. Rita Subramaniam Mani is the poet of this poem. By profession, she is a doctor, but she likes to write poems, short stories, essays, etc. In this poem, she has described how an unmindful driving took away the life of a young boy named Vicky, a fictional name given by the poet. Through this poem, she has tried her best to make aware of the young boys regarding safety driving. The theme of the poem deals with how a brilliant young boy lost his valuable life due to his carelessness in driving. Hello students, this is the background of the poem. भिकी दी फिक्शनल नेम और काल्पनिक नाम देइचंदी के पोएट मानी, डॉक्टर मानी. फर्स्ट स्टांजा, वी शैल गो टू फर्स्ट स्टांजा. हाय, आई एम Vicky's brilliant brain, sitting in a formalin jar with disdain, on display to promote knowledge gain, watching people stare at me again and again. कथा कौन कि भिकी बोली गोटे काल्पनिक नाम कवि देइचंती. से काल्पनिक नाम भिकी बोली पिलाटर एक्सीडेंट हो ता ब्रेन को रखा जाइए फॉर्मालिन जार. जो जार रे फॉर्मालिन गोटे केमिकल ता से जार मध्य ताको रखा जाइए. जो जार मध्य फॉर्मालिन गोटे केमिकल कंपाउंड मेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन. एगुड़ा सब जार मध्य रखा जाए कहीं परवर्ती पीढ़ी किंबा साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर से माने यह को सैंपल हिसाब नमूना हिसाब व्यवहार करी से फर्दर रिसर्च जारी रखिए. तेणु भिकी मरीगला ता ब्रेनटा रखाई फॉर्मालिन जार रे. से वर्तमान पाठक मानू कहूँ जे केमिति तार डेथ होता. हाय, आई एम Vicky's ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन. मुझे भिकीर ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन अर्थात बुद्धिमान ब्रेन. सिटिंग इन ए फॉर्मालिन जार विथ डिस्डेन. दैट मीन्स it has been kept in a formalin jar and it feels disdain. Disdain means घृणा, contempt. Write down contempt or scorn, घृणा. अर्थात से मन खुशी रे जार भीतर मन खुशी लगुनि अर्थात ताको से घृणार अति कदर्य भाव निजको खराब मन कर जार मध्य थी. जो भिकीर ब्रेन दिने सुस्थ लोक हिसाब से चलाबला करूला और दुनिया को देखुला, किंतु आज से भिकी मरीजा फल ब्रेन गोटे फॉर्मालिन जार रे रखाई. से निजको से ब्रेन कौन है निजको असहज मन कर जार भीतर थी. ऑन डिस्प्ले टू प्रमोट नॉलेज गेन. ऑन डिस्प्ले टू प्रमोट नॉलेज गेन मीन्स it has been kept inside the jar to display. That means to show, to exhibit others. To promote, that means to gain knowledge. To promote knowledge, that means to grow knowledge among others. Watching people stare at me, and Vicky's brain sees people watching stare at me. What do you mean by stare? Stare means to look at something, again and again, or to look at something for a long time. So in first stanza, the poet said that Vicky's brain has been kept in a formalin jar, and the brain feels it is discomfort or uncomfort for it, and because the people look at it again and again, which is very painful for him. Now we shall switch up to second stanza. How insulting to be called a specimen. 2 years ago, I was a part of living human. I got no stroke, tumor or box within, yet ended up in this jar to my chagrin. How insulting to be called a specimen. Vicky's brain feels itself very insulting to be called as a specimen. Specimen means नमूना अर्थात सैंपल, जहाँ को देखिकी आम अनेक जिनसरू गोटे जिनस देखिकी ता विषय प्रभुत्व ज्ञान आम पाई था. कौन स्पेसिमेन. इन इंग्लिश अदर सिनोनिम इज सैंपल. स्पेसिमेन मीन सैंपल. इंसल्टिंग टू बी कॉल्ड स्पेसिमेन. Vicky's brain feels insulting as to be called as a specimen. 2 years ago, I was a part of living human. से कहूँ जे 2 वर्ष तले आई वाज ए पार्ट ऑफ ए लिविंग ह्यूमन मु आज सीना फर्मालिन जार अच्छी कि 2 वर्ष पूर्व जो गोटे कौन गोटे चलता चलुवा मनीषर बंची मनीषर गोटे अंग होकर रही आई गट नो स्ट्रोक स्ट्रोक मीन्स अटैक ब्रेन हम पिला तुम जान ब्रेन स्ट्रोक हार्ट स्ट्रोक से स्ट्रोक मीन्स आघात ट्यूमर ट्यूमर हूँ गोटे रोग वन काइंड ऑफ मांसपेशी फुली जाता रोग ट्यूमर हूँ कौन ए मास ऑफ डिजीज सेल्स ग्रोइंग इन दी पार्ट ऑफ ए बॉडी आ बॉक्स मीन्स साधारणतः आम बॉक्स को छारपोक कहते बॉक्स किंतु ये बॉक्स को छारपोक कहनी ये बॉक्स कहुई कौन जे रोग जीवाणु को कहुई बॉक्स दैट मीन्स कह मरीची केमी मरीची जे मु हार्ट अटैक मरनी कि ब्रेन स्ट्रोक मरनी कि मत ट्यूमर हो नाला कि अन्य को रोग जो मरी ना येट एंडेड अप इन दिस जार टू माय चैग्रिन मीन्स ए फीलिंग ऑफ अनहैप्पीनेस विरक्ति भाव प्रकाश करिया से विरक्ति भाव प्रकाश कर मु स्ट्रोक मरी ना कि ट्यूमर मो जीवन जाइनी कि मत कौन रोग जो मो मृत्यु होना किंतु आज मु बस क्या भितर अच्छी ना मु जार भितर पड़क रही टू माय चैग्रिन दैट मीन्स इट वाज वेरी पेनफुल फॉर हिम it was very painful for the brain. So let us go to then third stanza. Vicky was a young boy, smart and sane. Vicky was a young boy, smart and sane. How was Vicky? Vicky was very smart. Smart means active, full of life and vigor. Sun, wind or rain, computers and maths were his domain. His motto in his life: no pain, no gain. Vicky was a young and smart boy. सेन मीन्स बुद्धि ज्ञान नॉलेज साउंड हेल्थ सेन मीन्स साउंड हेल्थ हियर सेन मीन्स ओडिया जब लिखा हूँ कौन बुद्धिमान आउ जब लिखा हूँ इंग्लीश लिखा तार हूँ सेन हूँ कौन कि हैविंग ए नॉर्मल और हेल्दी माइंड फुल ऑफ लाइफ एंड vigor Vicky was full of life means very active and he was very vigor means energetic vigor means होची energy force sun and wind or rain it means that he was very active सबु पागरे अर्थात खरा हो वर्षा हो किंबा पवन हो he was very active he was very smart computers maths were his domain that domain means area of knowledge domain means area of knowledge computers he was very good at mathematics computer his motto in life was his aim of his life motto means aim of his life was no pain no gain that means if you don't make any pain you won't get any reward so that means ता ओडिया भाषा कौन कहती जे it is an English proverb it means it is necessary to work hard in order to gain success ओडिया कहती कष्ट कले कृष्ण मिले है Vicky was a young boy very smart तापर जी कौन करें तृतीय पारा को चतुर्थ पारा फोर्थ पैराग्राफ Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane and he adored his grandma wrinkles and cane in college when she stole a glance at Lorraine why his heart went thud only I could explain Vicky loved his parents very much he is a truly insane what do you mean by insane means अतिशय पागल जोटा कहती जो अतिशय माने सेन माने हूँ ज्ञान इनसेन माने अत्यंत पागल प्राय बापा माँ को बेस भल पाला अर्थात ही लव्ड हिज पेरेंट्स एक्सट्रीमली बट एंड ही एडोर्ड हिज ग्रैंडमा एडोर्ड मीन्स लव्ड वेरी मच loved very much he loved his grandma very much his grandma was in wrinkle do you know what do you mean wrinkle means lines on the skin and केन मीन्स यार केन माने बेत ये बेत नुहे केन बुढ़ीर बाड़ी कथा कहुच्छे अर्थात बुढ़ीर से चम धुड़ुधुड़ु आ बाड़ी धरिकी चलुवा को से बुढ़ी माँ को सी भारी भल पाला बापा माँ को भल पाला आ बुढ़ी माँ को भल पाला रेस्पेक्ट दौला इन कॉलेज व्हेन ही स्टोल ए ग्लांस एट लोरेन कॉलेज एज ही वाज ए यंग बॉय ही वाज रीडिंग इन कॉलेज व्हेन ही स्टोल ए ग्लांस एट लोरेन वाज ए गर्ल of same class with him but when he glance what do you mean by glance means नजर पकेबा तार जेते नजर ता ऊपर पड़ता to have a look when he stole a glance at Lorraine जेते बड़े चुप की लोरेन को देखे स्टोल माने स्टील पास्ट टेंस है स्टोल स्टील माने चोरी करवा ए स्टोल माने होची चोरा चाहानी स्टोल ए ग्लांस मीन्स चोरा चाहणी अर्थात चुप चुप ताकू सी देखुची बोले क्या सी जानीपारे सी चुप चुप करते लोरेंस को देखुला हिज हार्ट व्हाई हिज हार्ट वेंट थर्ड थर्ड only I could explain, and that means when he looked at Lauren, there came a feeling in her heart that it go third it went third means what do you mean by third means the sound of the beating sound of the heart अर्थात when he looked at Lauren, there came a feeling in his heart, and that means he feels himself something in his heart which went third but only I could explain, that means his brain could only explain, that means nobody knows why his heart got third, he only can explain. On a wet monsoon day, next para, on a wet monsoon day for a task mundane, Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. For once, from wearing his helmet, he did refrain. God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. On a wet monsoon day, it was a wet monsoon day. That means it was a raining. Monsoon means borsa. Wet monsoon day, दिन borsa दिन थला. For a task mundane. Mundane means ordinary. Mundane means ordinary. For a ordinary work, Ricky went out. He rode his bike. That means he did not go on foot. Rather, he rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. In the next lane, ता सांग जे कि नेक्स्ट रास्ता रे गली रे बास करता सांग पाकू देखा करिया गला कोतरे मोटरसाइकल ले. इट वाज ए रेनी डे. फॉर वंस फ्रॉम वेयरिंग हिज हेलमेट ही डिड रिफ्रेन. दैट मीन्स ही रिफ्रेन. व्हाट मीन बाय रिफ्रेन? रिफ्रेन माने कौन कार्य निवृत्त रहा. टू स्टॉप फ्रॉम डूइंग समथिंग, दैट इज रिफ्रेन. टू स्टॉप फ्रॉम डूइंग समथिंग. For once from wearing his helmet he did refrain. That means से सही थर कौन करथिला जे हेलमेट पिंधि नथिला सही थरक पई. नहले Vicky was very good boy, very brilliant boy. Wherever he goes, wherever he went, he always used his helmet. But that day, that wet day, that rainy day, he did not wear. He forgot to wear his helmet. God, oh God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. Gory, that means what do you mean gory? Involving a lot of blood. That means रक्ताक्त. That means रक्ताक्त होता. से met with an accident and inhuman. एक निष्ठुर निर्दय भाव में से कौन है गोटे एक्सीडेंटर सम्मुखीन होता. नेक्स्ट स्टांजा, इट इज द फाइनल स्टांजा. All it took was a stray moment in a young life lost, a family crushed with pain. Dear friends, take care. Risky driving can be banned. Drive safe. Let your precious life not be in vain. All it look is a stray moment in an माने निर्बोध. Stupid. In an stupid. Stray means stray. That means separate from others. In an निर्बोध. Stupid. Crossed. A family crossed with a friend. जंत्रणा रे जर्जरित हवा. चापी ही जिबा. माड़ी ही जिबा. All it took is a stray moment in an. हला यह एक all it took as a stray moment in an हूँ गोटे निर्बोधता ये जो घटीगला. all it took, that means यह सब घटीला a stray moment in an एक पथभ्रष्ट निर्बोधता जो यही एक्सीडेंट तार घटीला. ये यंग लाइफ लस्ट गोटे जो पिलाटे बड़ होते बड़ मनीष होता छोट बड़ू ता जीवनटा को से यंग लाइफ एक अल्प दिन जीवनटी तार नष्ट हो गला. दैट इज यंग लाइफ लस्ट. A family crossed with pain. You know that the young boys are most precious for their parents. But when a young boy of a young child of a parents dies, his family go on a undescribable pain or sorrowful. Dear friends, take care. Risky driving can be banned. In the end, the poet going to say something by the brain which has been kept in the formalin jar. It is the word of the poet, but it has been said by the brain which has been kept in the formalin jar. What? Take care. You must take care of yourself. Risky driving can be banned. Risky driving, dangerous driving should be banned. Drive safe. Let your precious life not be in vain. If you drive safely, you can save your life you can save your precious life, and your precious life cannot be end in vain. In vain means nisphala, useless. That it cannot be ended in vain. In a nutshell, I am going to say that it is a very beautiful poem by Dr. Mani. In the end, the poem has been started with a very curious manner, as the brain in the formalin jar gives information, knowledge to its readers. Really, the views or the opinions of the writer has been given by the brain in the formalin jar. The last line drives up so that you can save your precious life. That's all. Thank you.